When the weather is cold and gray outside, there's nothing better than a warm slice of banana bread. So let's get started. Make sure your bananas are completely thawed out, and then grab yourself a large bowl and place the bananas in the bowl with the vanilla and make sure they are nice and smooth. Then add the rest of your wet ingredients like your eggs, the oil, the Greek yogurt, and the sugar, and then mix until smooth. Then sift in your dry ingredients, your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and make sure there are no lumps. Fold together all your ingredients, making sure that there is no more dry flour in the mixture. Spray your 8x4 loaf pan, and then pour your batter into the pan, smoothing out the top, making sure there's batter in the corners, and then run an oiled knife down the center of the loaf pan to give it a nice shape. And in the oven it goes for about an hour, and then you've got a beautiful banana bread. I love having mine for breakfast or even as a snack. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.